Hi and welcome back. Esperion Therapeutics Ltd has announced its second quarter results and we will analyze the sales to understand the demand for bempedoic acid, the end product of Bluejet Healthcare's key pharma intermediate and Neuland Labs API. The company has reported 15% growth in its quarter-on-quarter net US product sales. To those who are new to the company, Bluejet Healthcare and Neuland Labs supplies a pharma intermediate and active pharmaceutical ingredient for innovator Esperion Therapeutics patented cardiovascular drug. Esperion has so far commercialized only two products, which are bempedoic acid and a combination of bempedoic acid and ezetimibe. So its sales reflects only the sale of these two products. The company markets the drugs as Nexletol and Nexlizet. Daiichi Sankyo is Esperion's partner for these drugs in Europe. It markets the drugs in Europe as Nilemdo and Nustendi. Daiichi Sankyo reports sales for different drugs separately, making our analysis easier. The sales from Nilemdo and Nustendi has increased by 61% on a year-on-year basis. Sequentially, on a quarter-on-quarter basis, they have reported strong sales growth of 21% on these drugs. As per Esperion, retail prescription equivalents are up 10% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and more than 28,000 healthcare providers are writing the scripts now. The number of internal patients has grown from 340,000 at the end of June 2025 to 555,000 in June 2026. The company expects approval of drugs in Japan and Canada towards the end of 2025, Israel in first half of 2026, and Australia and New Zealand in fourth quarter of 2026. HLS Therapeutics is the company's partner in Canada. As per HLS Therapeutics investor presentation, Canada has an opportunity of more than 500,000 statin intolerant patients. It expects approval from Health Canada in 2025 and expects to launch the drug in early 2026, followed by private insurance coverage and full public coverage. This should mean that there would be a build-up on API inventory towards the end of the year for the launches in Japan and Canada. CSL Seqirus is the company's partner in Australia and New Zealand and expects approval there in Q4 2026. To conclude, we are seeing very strong growth for the drugs in US and Europe, where they are growing by 15% and 20% quarterly in US and Europe. This growth should translate to growing sales for Bluejet Healthcare and Neuland Labs. Japan and Canada is expecting approval in fourth quarter, following which there would be an inventory build-up for these regions, further helping pharma intermediate manufacturers. Further approvals and launches are expected in Australia, New Zealand and Israel in 2026. The company also plans to launch a triple combo treatment in 2027, a combination of statin with the currently approved therapy to enhance efficacy. This product is primarily being developed for Daiichi Sankyo. It likely implies an inventory buildup ahead of the launch then as well.